Stockholm is split among 14 islands and has a population of about 2 million people. Innerstaden, or the historical inner city, is the city's center and it extends outside into the suburbs. It is unknown when Stockholm was created, although it first appears in documents in 1252, founded by Birger Jarl. Since the 16th century, Stockholm has been a significant commercial hub, and since the 17th century, it has served as the headquarters of the Swedish Empire. Stockholm is recognized as one of the world's most open and friendly cities. Its modern metropolitan charm is tempered by centuries of history and proximity to nature. The list of things to do in Stockholm is endless. It's easy to understand why Stockholm, Sweden's capital, has earned the title Venice of the North, since it stretches idyllically across a Baltic Sea archipelago of 14 islands. Water tends to catch your eyes wherever you look. Stockholm, located on Sweden's southeast coast, has 4 different seasons. Summers are warm, often extremely hot, and summer evenings are rarely dark. Winters can be pleasant and wet, but they can also be bitterly cold and snowy. Autumn colors are stunning in city parks, while spring is greeted by people at outdoor restaurants and cafes, covered in blankets and enjoying a drink. The city is simple to enjoy by foot or public transportation, and each area has its own distinct vibe. The island of Södermalm has a laid-back vibe and attracts the creative set, whereas Stermalm is the definition of refined elegance. Norrmalm is a busy and dynamic downtown district located between these two regions, and the beautiful old town Gamla Stan is just south of Norrmalm. Today, Stockholm is a tolerant, open society that welcomes everyone. Stockholm Pride, the largest of its type in the Nordic area, is a summer calendar event bringing tens of thousands of tourists from across the country and around the world. Stockholm, a forward-thinking, inventive city, is home to a growing tech innovation community and a significant number of startups, a density that only Silicon Valley can match. Spotify is only one of the worldwide brands with origins in the city, and the company's headquarters are still in the center of the city. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.